All right, so this recording is going to show you how to make an APA citation for a project using Citation Machine. If you Google APA citation, the first thing that you come up with is Citation Machine. I have not used like the Scribber or any of the other ones. I do use Citation Machine. If you don't want to pay for it, you have to watch a commercial every once in a while, but I think that it's a fair trade. APA citation, just as we get to this, is appropriate for using in science classes versus using it in an English class. You might use MLA, you'll use APA in science classes. Okay, so I'm using a website, so I'm going to click on a website. Again, I'm not sure why. There's a lot of pop-ups, I see that. But it's worth it. And they do have a plagiarism checker if you have their Plus edition. So I am going to go to the place where I have gray squirrels. And I didn't use Wikipedia because that's never a really great place to use, but I believe I used Eastern Gray Squirrels. I'm going to use National Geographic because that is very reputable. If I use that picture, I'm going to cite that picture, and I'll show you how to do I would cite the website for that picture, and I would use a in-text citation just like I said before. Oh, look, all of these are very good facts that I could use. So I'm using this website. I copy it. I go to Citation Machine. I paste it. I search. And it asks me, is this what I want to cite? And I say I want to cite it. So here's the article. Here's the URL. Here's the website. Here's the day I accessed it. Here's the day it was published. That's all good information. I'm going to go back and make sure that there's not an author down at the bottom because that makes my life better. And I don't see one. Sometimes it's at like the very, very, very bottom there if there's an author, or the very, very, very top if it's an article. However, see that there is one for the picture, so we will have that for when we cite this picture that I'm going to use. So I'm going to say continue. Gray squirrel, there isn't an author. So I'm going to complete my citation. If I wanted to add an annotation, I could do that. So I'm actually going to add an annotation. I'm going to say facts, because then I'm going to use a different one for the picture. And I have to every 48 hours. I watched one last night. Isn't this fun? Everybody gets to watch this. My cats sleep 85% of the day. Apparently I don't know anything about cats. All right, so now I've done that. So I cited things yesterday when I made my project that you guys have as an exemplar. I did that, and so it's adding to that citation list. It is putting them in alphabetical order. If I was just going to, I'm going to go back now. So say I'm going to cite this picture. Lucas Blazek probably. Is it Lucas with a K? Spell people's name. Lukas. Blazek. And I'm going to add an annotation that says photo. Update my citation. Okay, so here's my citation. When I want to put it on my project, I'm going to copy the in-text citation. So I'm going to use Blazek and the year as my, and so and the format is always going to be the last name of the author, comma, which is a difference from APA and MLA. APA has a comma here, 2019. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put it in my citation, or put it in my project when I use that picture. And that's going, and my works cited is going to be all of this. So I'm going to copy all of these or export them and put them as my citations in my project. So this will go with my picture, these will go with my facts. Okay? Provided I use that picture. So hopefully that helps you. If I want the in-text citation, say I use half my facts from here and half my facts from here, I would like to copy my in-text citation. I'm going to use the contributors, the Maryland Department of Natural Resources, and it doesn't have a year because it didn't have a year with it, so this is the APA citation. Okay, I hope that that helps, and I hope this video leads you to success citing things. Bye!